Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make Netflix play continuously. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'm showing you on desktop, but you can do this on mobile, tablet, or even your TV as the steps are the same. So the first thing you want to do is head up to the top right corner where your account picture is, and from there click on Manage Profiles. Once you're on the Manage Profiles screen, select the profile you want this setting applied to. Now scroll about halfway down until you see Playback Settings under Preferences. Inside Playback Settings, you'll find options for Autoplay and Video Quality. The one you're interested in is right at the top. Autoplay next episode in a series on all devices. If this is unchecked, episodes won't play automatically, so make sure you check this option, then click Save to apply the setting. Once saved, you can go back into your profile's playback settings to confirm. Once you do that, which means every time you finish an episode, Netflix will automatically play the next one. So if you're watching a series like Yellowstone, as soon as one episode ends, the next will begin without you doing anything. And that's it. So that is how you can make Netflix play continuously. So that's all for this video. Thanks.